Hi guys, my name is Ishika. Welcome back to my channel. So probably this is going to be the last video of 2021. For today's video I am very excited because I am going to tell you what are my 2021 favorites. Like, I purchased quite a lot of things this year, like everybody does, but I have gathered in a whole year. Like, ये वीडियो मेरे मन में स्टार्टिंग से ही था, like when I didn't make 2020 का favorites, that time only I decided कि I have to make a 2021 favorite video. So that's why I have gathered quite a lot of things. I have included everything which I have liked this year, everything which includes stationery, makeup, skincare and body maintaining things. I think, what should I call this? Later you will know in the video. And also some electronic things. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that whenever I post a new video in 2022 you get notified first. So without any further ado, let's get started. So from what should I start? Should I start from so I'll start with my favorite YouTubers brand. Like, if you are my OG fam, then you know how much I am obsessed with Mridul Sharma. She is my absolute favorite. I watch her videos several times. Like, एक ही वीडियो मैंने, जबकि वो देख चुकी हूँ मैं पहले, but still I watch her videos to gain knowledge, like how perfect she is in her work. Everything I just love. So recently she launched her 2022 planner. So they have launched their first planner in 2019, then 20, then 21, then 22. Finally I got my hands on 2022 planner, which is my Christmas gift from my mom. So yeah, I'll just quickly show you the unboxing part of this planner so you get to know how beautifully and how perfectly she has done it. As we open the planner, it's a very beautiful aesthetic. Like, her theme, the whole thing is her vibe, like pinks and white and golden, everything. So you get a notebook to write your thing. So basically I have not written anything right now. Okay, so you get some sticky notes. And everything. The best thing why I included this planner, not because she is my favorite. Yeah, she is my favorite and she will be my favorite throughout entire my life. But the thing is why I included this is, this has everything which a person needs who wants to be organized in her or his life. So you need to get this. Okay, in detail I will not say anything much about this. I'll link a video down in the description box so you get to know what are the whole thing, what is the flip through and every detail of each page in that video, where she has shared everything, every detail of every page in that video. So I'll make sure to link that video down in the description. So if you want to buy that, you can get it. Okay, so let's start with some skincare, I would say. So for the first thing I would like to share with you, skincare mein, the Mamaearth Tea Tree face mask, which is definitely, it is not sponsored. I don't get any PR packages from Mamaearth or the products I am going to show you in this video, because I have not included anything which I have got in PR. So yeah, this is the face mask in the variant Tea Tree. So I'll show you. This is my second purchase and it's already this much. If you had a very tired and hectic day, after that coming home, if you use this, your skin will feel definitely much more good and healthy. So yeah, you can give it a try. Next, this is a moisturizer from the brand The Derma Co, and it is their Ceramide Plus HA Intense Face Moisturizer for dry skin. Now if you know me, I have a very oily skin, but now in this winter my skin, like whenever I wash my face, like with face wash or any something, like if I wash only with water, still my face gets very flaky and very dry. So that time I definitely put my hands on this product, because this is such a nice moisturizer. Like underneath the makeup or anything, you just need to use this. And with this I use the Wow sunscreen with the SPF 55 product. I mix this because like if I use this separately, it is a very, the formula of this sunscreen is something which I don't like, because it's very, like when I put it, it's very hard to glide. Okay, I think you got my point. Like I think most of the sunscreens are like this, but when I mix this both, it glides into my skin super smoothly. And what should I say, I love this product. मतलब दोनों प्रोडक्ट एक साथ यूज़ करके आई डेफिनेटली लाइक इट. सो या यू कैन डेफिनेटली गिव इट अ ट्राई. इफ़ यू वांट अ सनस्क्रीन इन योर बजट अंडर 500, then you can give it a try. Okay, the price for every product will be mentioned in the screen. So yeah, I don't actually remember the exact price of everything right now, so I will put it in the screen. So next product is also by the Dermaco, and this is their 10% vitamin C face serum. This is 30 ml, but I got a free product from Smitten. I have shared that video with you, and you guys supposed to love that video a lot, like a lot. So
from 2020, like October 2020, I had that acne, and that particular scar was so ziddy to go. It didn't went. I like literally I used so many products to remove that, but it really didn't help me. So I ordered this one. 50% तो वो नाइसिनामाइड सीरम से ही चला गया था वो, बट देन व्हेन आई यूज दिस वन, माय स्किन कभी कभी मिस हो जाता है, लाइक डे एंड नाइट बोथ. आई यूज दिस मॉर्निंग में नहाने के बाद एंड देन रात में सोने जाने से पहले. आई डेफिनेटली यूज दिस, बट एज यू नो विंटर है एंड आई एम वेरी लेजी टू डू स्किन केयर, सो दैट्स व्हाई कभी कभी छूट जाता है. बट आई make sure to use this because it has improved
my skin. Like if from the whole range of skincare, if I have to choose any product for my entire life, I will choose this one. This much I have fallen in love with this. So yeah, if you want to try. Okay, what's the next? Okay, as we are talking about skincare, so let's include this. So this is the Lifelong's multi trimmer for women specially. So this has, basically this was a product which I didn't purchase. This is a product which I have borrowed from my mom. As you know, every time going to the salon is not very possible, because it's not possible and we are too lazy. So here it looks like this. ये ब्रश जो है वो यहाँ है, एंड वी हैव अ केबल USB चार्जर. वी हैव अ चार्जर ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. सो यू हैव अ, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, हाँ, वी हैव अ हेड फॉर द फेशियल हेयर, लाइक जो यहाँ आते हैं, बहुत छोटे छोटे होते हैं जो दिखते भी नहीं है, बट द हेयर्स इंटरप्ट the product to go inside your skin, like the serum. If you have a very neat and clean skin, then if you don't have any hair, then the serum will work really fast. Okay, so you have that. Then you have this bada wala. So if this one you can use for any hand, legs or any other part of your body. So and this one is specially for your upper lips and eyebrows. I am never a person who does eyebrow, okay, but जब से मुझे ये मिला है, I just use, like I don't, if you can see, I really don't do eyebrow. मैंने कभी भी पार्लर में जाके या तो कभी भी वो थ्रेडिंग वगैरह मैंने कभी भी नहीं करवाया है, ना ही मैंने प्लग किया है, मुझे बहुत डर लगता है वो सब से, ना ही मैंने वैक्स करवाया. आई हैव डन नथिंग इन माई एंटायर लाइफ अभी तक तो, एंड आई एम श्योर कि मैं कभी करवाने भी नहीं वाली हूँ. सो दिस हैज़ अ टिप. ओके, आई विल शो यू. दिस हैज़ अ टिप. एक तरफ इट्स वेरी स्मॉल एंड एक तरफ इट्स क्वाइट थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा. अंदर नहीं जा रहे. हाँ, सो वॉट इट डज इज आई जस्ट रिमूव द एक्सेस, लाइक जो मेरे फोरहेड पे इधर उधर आता है ना, इधर उधर, लाइक इट इंटरप्ट्स द होल आई लुक. वो बस मैं रिमूव कर लेती हूँ इससे. एंड कुछ भी लाइक इट इज़ वेरी ईजी टू यूज़, वेरी वेरी ईजी टू यूज़. दिस इज़ अ थिंग विच एवरी गर्ल मस्ट हैव इन देयर वैनिटी और in their life. Battery one, this is the rechargeable one, so this is very nice, very very nice. Okay, so the skincare and the body care part is done. So now I'll move on to makeup. So definitely my first recommendation will be the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I'm in the shade Ivory 112, which is actually like it is one step lighter than my actual skin tone, but I'll tell you that it oxidizes. So it oxidize होने के बाद ये एक skin tone नीचे आ जाता है. So I have preferred कि मैं 112 ही लूँ. So yeah, otherwise पता नहीं क्या एक और skin tone है इसका, 118 है या 128 है, ऐसा कुछ है. I really don't remember exactly now, but yeah. So I'll tell you, if you are in the shade Fit Me foundation का क्या शेड है वो 115, then you should go for 112 in this because it oxidizes, okay, and it will match to 115. So I think you get my point. It is a bit expensive, but I think it does justice to your skin. It will not feel, it is definitely buildable. This is high coverage, and this is, if you have a great base underneath your makeup, this foundation is going to look fabulous. That's it. Next I want to recommend you guys this. पता नहीं ये Swiss Beauty वालों का क्या दिक्कत है, इन्होंने ऊपर में see they have, ये क्या है ना, एक मिनट, yeah, so they have QR कोड उन्होंने ऊपर में डाल दिया है. So I don't know why they have done this. So I'll show you ऐसे. So these are the two. You can definitely go for more shades. This is in the shade Electric Pink, and I'll just swatch it and show you how beautiful this is. This is like the fuchsia वाला pink होता है ना, वो है बिल्कुल. Yeah, and next one is the gloss. This is my mom's absolute favorite, and why this is favorite, that also I will tell you. As you know, glosses are very trendy right now. Okay, so this lipstick, until and unless you rub this whole thing with a wet wipes or anything makeup remover, फिर भी थोड़ा थोड़ा इसका जो पिंक जो टिंट है वो रह ही जाता है. Very very pigmented, very very long lasting, transfer proof, everything. Just see, I have nothing. Just see, it doesn't transfer little bit also. So definitely if you are going for a budget friendly lipstick, and this is pure matte, so yeah, definitely you can give this a try. I have used this particular lipstick in my yesterday's IGTV video, so definitely give it a try. So the last product is the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, and I just love it. Just lengthens your screen. I will put a pic here so you can see the difference with or without this one. But one thing मैं तो बहुत lazy हूँ, but I will definitely recommend you to curl your lashes with a curler and then put it. It will look like you have put some lashes, fake lashes. It does like that. Oh wait, this is not the last product. I also have a eyeshadow palette in a very affordable range, like very affordable range. So this is the hyped brand color, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, color glazed, beauty glazed. Yeah, this is one eyeshadow brand which is doing great nowadays. This is the beauty glazed. You also have that book kind of thing जो ऐसे खुलता है, and then you have same it is same. It's just कि वो 72 you get 72 shades, मतलब 72 pans of different colors, and here you get 63 या तो 68 ऐसा कुछ है. I will put a screenshot so you will get to know. It just opens like this. So So for the pigmentation, I will just say that every penny you invest is going to give you justice. So you have this kind of a thing to protect it. Now for the pigmentation, I will say you will just say wow. Let me swatch a few shades for you. ऐसे shades मैं swatch करूँगी ना जो आपको पता चलेंगे कि shades कैसे हैं. So let me swatch. This one you can use for blush. Just see. One dip, okay? See. Now if you want to create some mint sort of thing, see. What should I swatch more? Should I swatch this brown for your eyebrows? Just see. Now कहाँ मैं swatch करूँ, मुझे तो डर लग रहा है sweater में लग जाएगा. Okay, so I'll swatch it here, okay? Just look at the shades. These were some matte shades. Now I will swatch. I will swatch some shimmer shades as well. So this is the shade you can use for highlighting, for bronzing. This one also you can use. बहुत सारे shimmer shades हैं. 1, 2, 3 and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You get 18 shimmer shades. So I'll swatch this highlighting shade. इसमें नहीं लेना चाहिए था ना. Wait a minute. I'll swatch this, okay? This. Look at the pigment. So I will swatch this shimmer blue, okay? Just look at the pigmentation. And it just costed me around 350 or 450 के around में. I just got it from Flipkart. You can definitely get this from Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho से भी मिलता है I guess. So yeah, that was it for makeup part. So now comes the electronic part. Electronic part के लिए तो मैं ये trimmer को भी रख सकती थी ना. Yeah. Now I'll give a shout out. Like I will recommend you 3 products. Okay. So first one has to be my laptop. This is from Asus. My laptop, which is my current obsession. It looks something like this. नॉर्मल जैसे सारे लैपटॉप्स दिखते हैं वैसा ही है ये. बट द थिंग इज़ इट डज़ द होल थिंग. सी आई एम नॉट अ वेरी लाइक प्रो एट एक्सप्लेनिंग अबाउट लैपटॉप्स एंड लैपटॉप्स, बस बाकी सब तो मुझे आते हैं. तो लैपटॉप्स के बारे में एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए आई एम नॉट द परफेक्ट पर्सन, बट आई विल पुट द मॉडल नंबर एवरीथिंग हियर स्क्रीन पे. सो डेफिनेटली यू कैन चेक द रिव्यूज़ एंड इफ़ यू वांट a laptop under 60,000, so definitely you can give it a try. Next is, if you are a growing YouTuber or you make reels, anything, you want to purchase a ring light. Okay, ring light is a very necessary, like क्या बोलते हैं उसको, like you need it. Okay, reels के लिए तो it is something बहुत ज़्यादा ring light चाहिए. ऐसा मुझे तो था. In fact my cousin is also like that कि ring light चाहिए. Okay, that effect which gives you in the eyes, my god, lenses वाली feeling आती है मुझे तो, सस्ते lenses. But no, technically देखा जाए तो ring light lenses से ज़्यादा महंगे होते हैं. So yeah, here you can say थोड़ा सा smartly. So don't invest your money in anything. बहुत सारे ब्रांड होंगे Amazon में जो आपको 1000 में या तो 1500 में 1800 में ring lights देंगे, but it don't really justice. I have got it and फिर मैंने उसे रिटर्न करवाया क्योंकि रिंग लाइट देख के वो रिंग लाइट वाली फीलिंग नहीं आ रही थी यार. रिंग लाइट, इफ़ आई परचेज समथिंग इट शुड गिव मी सम पॉजिटिव वाइब्स एंड सम सेटिस्फैक्शन कि यार अगर मैंने एक चीज़ लिया है. सो या माई ऐसे आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स जो आई हैव बॉट बट आई एम नॉट फुल्ली सेटिस्फाइड कि या I am very satisfied, like the eyeshadow palette. You know, as my tone spoke, that how much I am into this palette and I am going to buy more from this brand. Okay, so just like that, if you want to purchase any ring light, you should definitely थोड़ा सा invest करो. थोड़ा सा, like if you want to buy in this month and if you have the budget of 2000, wait for few months, थोड़े और पैसे इकट्ठे करो and then go for this Digitech one, which I am also currently using. How it looks. सो दिस वॉज अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम माई, मतलब बहुत सारे गिफ्ट मम्मा ने दिए थे मुझे गिफ्ट में. सो वन ऑफ दैट वॉज दिस रिंग लाइट, क्योंकि उन्हें पता था कि मुझे कितना ज़्यादा रिंग लाइट चाहिए. सो सेम विद द प्लानर, शी न्यू हाउ मच आई लव मृदुल, सो शी गिफ्टेड मी दिस, शी गिफ्टेड मी दैट. सो आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर माई मॉम एज वेल. लाइक 2021 के फेवरेट्स में शी इज़ माई फॉर एवर फेवरेट. या दैट्स इट. So I think that's it for today's video. और क्या बताना था. So yeah, I will not bore you people by saying that 2022 में मैं रेगुलर वीडियो डालूंगी. इट इज़ समथिंग कि मैं डालना चाहती हूँ एवरी डे नहीं, मतलब वीक में 2-3 वीडियोज़ आई वॉन्ट टू अपलोड. आई लाइक टू मेक वीडियोज़ बट देन एडिटिंग में बहुत टाइम चला जाता है. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you do so, then put some smile on my face and share this video with your friends, family. Tell them to subscribe my channel. I want to get my channel to be monetized by 2022. So yeah, please help me, and that's it. See you in my next video in next year. Bye bye.